Hello everyone. As we have already started our block 3 in which we discussed LP1 sources of fibers. Now in the series of this video lecture, today we are going to start the next LP, that is properties of fibers. The aim of this lesson is to compare the properties of animal and plant fibers. The keywords are properties, smooth, silky, rough and fluffy. Students, note down these keywords in your rough notebook. The sources required are small pieces of cotton, wool, jute and silk materials from previous day, separated fibers from previous day, nylon thread, candle and tongs, matchbox, S2O workbook, notebook and Excel content book. Students, you can see this tong. Tong is an instrument which is used to hold something. Before starting the activity, I want to ask some questions. What are the properties of these tables? How does it feel and look? How can you find properties of things? So students, by touching and looking the table, we can say that the table is smooth, brown in color and made of wood. Today, we will compare the properties of the fibers which you separated from cotton, wool, silk and jute in the previous class. Student, copy this table in your notebook and try to fill your observations in it after performing the activity. Now our activity is to take cotton, jute, wool, silk and nylon fiber, feel the fiber, pull them to see their strength, hold one end of the fibers with a tongue and keep other end on candle's flame. Observe if the fibers shrink away, melt or burn and what type of odor is given off. Students, for performing this activity, kindly take the help of your elder brother, sister or parent. You can pause the video for performing this activity and resume the video again. Now there are some questions based on the activity. What do cotton, silk, jute and wool fibers feel like? What happened when you burned the fibers of cotton, jute, silk and wool? Did they give different smells? Did they burn differently? So students, the answers of all these questions are summarized in the further explanation. Our first fiber is cotton. Cotton is a smooth, soft and light fiber. On burning, cotton fiber burns but does not melt. On burning, it produces a smell like a burning paper. Can you guess, students, why the cotton on burning gives the smell of burning paper? Yes, the cotton and paper both are obtained from plants. Therefore, they are showing the same type of burning odor. Next is jute. Jute feels rough and strong. Jute fiber also burns, giving an odor of burning paper. Silk feels smooth and shiny. Silk fiber shrinks away on flame and burnt, but does not melt. It gives odor of burning hair. Students, have you tried to burn your hair ever? The same odor the silk fiber is producing as that the burning of your hair is producing, because both are made up of proteins. wool. Wool feels fluffy. Wool fiber also shrinks and burns but did not melt. It gives odor of burning hair. As we already know that wool is a hair of animal. Students, this chart will definitely help you to fill the table which you copied down in your notebook. This chart consists the various properties of fibers. Now there is one question. What are similarities and differences did you observe in these fibers? So, plant and animal fibers bond differently. Cotton and jute, being a plant fiber, burnt in a similar way, but their feel was different. In the same way, wool and silk are animal fibers. They burnt in a similar way, but their other properties are different. Next question is, how can you classify plant and animal fibers based on their properties? If a fiber burns with the smell of paper, it is plant fiber, and if it gives an odor of burning hair and shrinks, it is an animal fiber. How can we know if a fiber is a natural fiber or a synthetic fiber? So there is a very simple technique to detect whether the fiber is natural or synthetic. Fibers that burn but do not melt are all natural fibers, while synthetic fibers melt upon burning. Now this is the time to do homework. Students, you have to finish your S2 of workbook and you have to complete your PQ 4, 5, 6 in rough notebook. In the next slides, the practice questions of LP1 and LP2 are attached. Thanks for watching the video.